Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite. So let's dive in.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite, the crypto investor channel. I'm Boris, so let's dive in. Today, we're going to look at XRP. We've looked at it before. We're just giving an update on what's going on with this coin. Now, XRP has been signing people left and right on many projects, many banks. They're doing extremely well worldwide. And the company Ripple, which is not XRP, it's two different things, is growing by leaps and bounds. Now, of course, they are promoting the Ripple ledger, and people are using the XRP on the Ripple ledger. That's the coin, but they've been growing a lot lately. And one of the big things that just announced is the liquidity hub. Well, so what is that? You know, the liquidity hub, it's allowing anybody, many companies worldwide to sell assets that are tokenized. So it's going to be a little bit like an eBay for everything that are assets related. So let's imagine you're a company and you want to sell an asset, could be a building, and you want to tokenize it. You're going to be able to bring it onto that marketplace and tokenize it, make it available for others to buy using crypto money. So something that a lot of people have been talking about, about doing. But definitely Ripple is launching, their own hub and making it very easy for people to sell or buy or hold those tokenized assets. So really a big news. You can check it out. There are multiple articles out there, and they said they're starting with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and XRP. So big news. But the funny thing is, even though the lawsuit is still going on with the SEC, they're signing up more and more clients worldwide. Now, of course, most of those clients are worldwide, but not in the US. And the US should really reconsider the way they're treating their own companies, because after all, who's going to benefit from it? Well, other countries. That's simple. If the US wants to remain the leader in cryptocurrency, maybe they should rethink about attacking their own American companies. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but government rarely does. Anyway, speaking of which, lots of things going on in the XRP lawsuit. The judge has been ordering the SEC to turn in some documents, which they still haven't done. I don't understand how they're not following judge's orders. Apparently, they might be above the law. But on the other side, Ripple lost, one of its battles. Can win them all, but they have to turn in some basically transcripts in regards to the internal communication that they've had. So they also have to turn in a bunch of documents. But the most thing is that everybody's waiting on is when the decision is going to be made in regards to fair defense notice. That's really, according to some of the attorneys on the case, following the case, not actual attorneys working on the case, but other attorneys following the case, they're saying that's really one of the most important things. Whether they get denied or they don't get denied, it's going to be one of the most important things. Now, of course, if they do get denied, if Ripple gets denied the fair defense notice, which the SEC wants to strike, Uh, Either side hasn't lost at that point, but definitely whoever it's gonna go in favor to, is it gonna go in favor of Ripple or is it gonna go in favor of the SEC? At that point, it's gonna go make the case very difficult for the other side to win, especially if it goes on the side of Ripple. The SEC has very little to stand on at that point. And if that happens, there is a really, really high chance. I'm not an attorney, and this is not legal advice, but there's a very high chance, according to some of the attorneys out there that have commented on the case, that the SEC would have almost no choice but settling, because at that point, actually, the settlement might be a lot lower than what they would have expected, for the fact that they would have lost pretty much all momentum, and they would have almost no legal ground to do anything, and it just would help finish this case faster. So overall, it's been going on pretty well for Ripple, but there's still a few things, and definitely this last one, the fair defense notice, that's a big deal. So let's see what happens. Right now, the price of XRP is being suppressed because of what's going on in this lawsuit. If they can win that point, I think a lot of people are going to start buying more XRP, thinking like, okay, it's pretty much over at this point. And if it isn't, then they're gonna fight some more, and it may drag this thing out further into 2022. We shall see. I've had a few people ask me obviously in the rest of the world, which I used to live in the US, I do not anymore, and it's very easy to buy XRP anywhere in the world. But in the US, it was very easy up until last year, and once the delisting happened from all the major exchange like Coinbase or or Kraken or any of those in the US, because in other countries you can still buy, even on Coinbase or Kraken, you can still buy XRP, but if you reside in the US, it's not the case anymore with Coinbase and some of the others. But for the US, people have asked me, like, where can I buy XRP? Well, the easiest one is, there are two of them. There's KuCoin, great site. Looks a lot like Binance. I have the feeling like someone copied the other, but I don't know which one copied the other. It looks to me, but I could be wrong, that KuCoin copied Binance, but they're very, very similar. The way the whole apps, everything looks so much the same. It's just funny. And by the way, Gate.io, which is a third one, also looks very much the same than KuCoin and Binance. So someone has been copying the others. But so KuCoin is a great place to buy XRP in the US. There is another one called Uphold, which is another exchange, also US based, and they were one of the ones that also did not delist XRP in the US. So these are the two places you can buy from. I would say KuCoin has a small edge over Uphold on the fees. Fee-wise, a little bit less expensive on KuCoin, but Uphold is also a good app, much easier to use. That is one big thing that they have over KuCoin, their app, and you can tell, from what you see, this is the actual, what the app looks like on the phone. Super easy. It cannot be any easier, so that's the one thing that Uphold has going on for themselves. If you feel like a Binance or KuCoin is a little too complicated, which it's definitely not for beginners, Uphold has a very nice interface, and both of them are the only two exchanges that I'm aware of that you can still buy XRP and always been. I mean, they never took it away in the US. The rest of the world, you can buy it pretty much anywhere. XRP is on all the exchanges worldwide. So where are we going from here? Probably we might be going to, if the lawsuit can settle, or if the case can get, won by, if Ripple can win this case, most likely a settlement would be the one that makes the most sense for everybody, including the SEC. If they can settle, then XRP is going to take off, and it's going to take off very, very quickly. We could see $3, $4, $5 in no time, in just a matter of days after settlement, and probably a month after the settlement, we could see 10, we could see 12, maybe as much as 15, or some people even speculate as high as $20 an XRP. So that would be really a big takeoff. I hope that it happens. Lots of small retail investors have been wrecked on this case. So the SEC, who's supposed to protect, small investors, has been hurting a lot of people really, really, really badly. I do hope that it comes down to a settlement, and especially can allow Ripple to keep on growing and keep on signing more customers and clients and grow its business, and that will do well for, also probably that will help the XRP coin. I hope this video helps, and I look forward to see you on the next video of Crypto Night. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.